Happy 2025! Thank you for being here with us again in 2025.
And to start off with an amazing, very positive subject, war. A month ago, Mark Rutte, our old Dutch Prime Minister,
Yeah.
I think he's now the leader of the Nato, he said that we in Europe have to prepare mentally for war.
I'll be honest, the security situation does not look good. It's undoubtedly the worst in my lifetime, and I suspect in yours too. It is time to shift to a wartime mindset.
Here in the Netherlands, we are advised to kind of make a survival kit for about 3 days. And I was, assembling that.
Yeah.
And I came to the point where I had to choose a knife.
Yeah.
Then I called you. What knife are you going to choose? Instead of discussing this on the phone, why don't we make a video of this, discussing it on camera?
Live?
And to see what 5 knives we could choose.
Yeah.
In total. So it is also a question for you after making this video. What would you recommend us to take? What segment are we missing?
And in this video we kind of cover not only survive for 3 days, because you wouldn't even maybe need a knife for that.
No.
But what if you get called up to enter the military? What if you need to do stuff around the house? What if you need to get a fire going? Stuff like that.
Yeah.
We're just gonna figure out which 5 knives we'll use for that.
So everybody who is faced with it, stay strong, brothers.
Yeah. What knife do we start with?
You know what, Martin? Let's start out with the knife when it goes completely wrong. Like completely. The power. There's a power outage. You need to get fire.
We're talking about prepping for 3 days. You go first.
What knife do you think I picked?
F1.
It's the Mark Rutte Bushcraft Ultralight.
Ooh!
No. The Falcon even Modern Bowie, yeah? Why?
Yeah.
Because it looks pretty, impressive.
Yeah.
It also looks, it's very important in a war situation. Listen, Martin, it can chop wood.
Yeah.
It can process wood. And it can still make fires and everything very easily. Otherwise, I was thinking of my Extreme Ratio RAO2.
Oh, there it is
because that
again.
is, it's just like the best survival knife. It's
Yeah.
ugly as shit. But yeah, this is very good for wood processing. But if I get into a combat situation, this is not gonna really help me a lot.
So
No.
my pick?
Your pick?
Yeah, my pick.
I love your pick. I'm a big fan of picks.
I picked the A1 Pro.
Oh!
So we're not that far apart, Mickey.
No. The thinking, very like.
My biggest mindset behind this is, I have a lot of really great survival knives in my
This
collection.
is a great pick.
This is a great pick, Mickey.
Yeah.
But having a knife that you are very comfortable with, that you know what it can do, that you have used a lot, is really important. And there is no knife in my collection, next to maybe the Aurora, that I use so much, is the A1 or the A1 Pro from Falcon even.
Yeah. Wait! It's not
fire
5 knives each. We're just gonna make 5
The top
knives
5
in total.
Yeah, like always.
Oh no, so we have to fight with our own knives as well.
Yeah, again, like always.
Oh no, wait.
Let's keep these 2 on the table for now. Now, maybe one thing much more important than one of these 5 knives. The DBK giveaway, the new bloody giveaway of this year. We are giving away 2 unique DBK Bushcraft 2000 prototypes with custom handle made by Bushcraft, thanks to DBK. A Falcon even A1 Pro that we just showed on the table, thanks to DBK. A Falcon even SK2 Embla, thanks to DBK. A Becker BK2, thanks to Blade HQ. 2 Midgards EDC Slingers, thanks to Midgards and Tools for Gents. A Benchmade Mini Narrows, thanks to Benchmade. And 2 Knife Fever Big Cutters, thanks to Massive Fever. That's a giant giveaway, Mickey.
Thank you very much, people. And if you want to join the giveaway, you click the link in the description, the Patreon link. You join the Royal Knife Club, the $10 tier, and then you automatically join.
Boom.
Yeah, it's randomly picked every month.
Now I had a knife that is not necessarily a knife, but a knife to do the chores around your house. You have a power outage. You have. I'm just considering that I don't have my toolbox around, stuff like that.
No.
Maybe I gotta go away in the car. I want to have something that is easy to take with me.
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't take anything for that.
Yeah, I took this one, the Gerber, what's it called? The Gerber Multi 2. I don't know the name anymore. It's just the one. Doesn't matter to me which one you pick. Just pick the one that you know what kind of tools you have on it.
Yeah.
That you know how to use. a tool that you're familiar with.
Maarten, boom! I agree. And you know what? When we were in our conversation on the phone, I said this. Yeah, then we also have to take a multi-tool.
Yeah, you might.
And now I forgot it. Yeah, well, that one is staying on the table. Next one, a military knife.
Yeah.
So if we get called up,
yeah, we had like the conversation. What if war breaks out and you get called up to, help defend or fight?
well, let's pray to God that that never happens. This is it.
Oh my God, it's still in the box.
It's a TRC, yeah. And I think I'm just gonna instantly win. It's the military.
God damn, Mickey.
Oh no, did you take the exact same one?
You win because I took the military.
Oh my God! Yeah, but that's a really good one.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
So
that's...
no discussion possible, but this is like the knife that we made a video on this. You can check out our review. This is just the knife that has like all the tactical features that you need, but it's also still a really great survival knife. You can make fire with this, you can baton with this. It holds great in the hand. Yeah, it's expensive, but being expensive doesn't matter if it's going...
because I got it. So.
Exactly, you got it. This is the knife that we would take. Can it scraper fire you actually? Not great.
So the next one is a very important knife to me.
Yeah.
Cutting, carving.
Always having a knife.
Bushcraft knife.
And always having a knife with you. Or not?
I don't know. I was just thinking of, I need just one carving knife.
Okay.
To carve stuff, to carve tools, to like actual bushcraft.
Yeah.
Which does that really well.
Okay.
So I don't know if this segment stays till the end.
Okay, we'll see.
Because I see you're very skeptical.
I'm just very curious what knife
Why would you be so skeptical of your best friend?
I got a...
Maarten, for that knife,
Oh.
I choose the Canon Wolverine. Yeah. And I didn't want you to see how badly it rusted already. But
This was a gift. It was a gift.
I don't know why Maarten gave this knife to me, but I don't know why this carves so well, but this might be the best carving knife in the whole collection. This is just like a tool.
Yeah.
This is not necessarily taken as a knife. This is like a specific tool.
I agree that it's nice to have a carving tool.
Godverdomme, I knew you wouldn't be agreeing with me.
But I have a knife that would fit that purpose and also fit other purposes.
What?
Because I don't need to make the best 10 pack in a survival situation.
You also
Sorry,
need
I
to
spit a little bit. I'm gonna get the Bushcraft
Ultralight.
So I had...
Oh, you have a Bushcraft Ultralight.
Yeah, it's not as nice as your one because my handle is thick as hell.
Whoa.
But it's still
but
good.
they really changed it.
Yeah, but it is still a very nice knife. I recently bought this, like last week.
What have they done with that shape?
Do you have yours?
My Bushcraft Ultralight is getting more special and more and more special.
Even the blade is different. Oh my god, the grind on yours is so much lower. Oh my god.
Mark Rutte, why do you change a winning formula?
I thought, do I need a folding knife?
Yeah?
I thought no.
No.
I'm prepping for war.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying that a folding knife couldn't be nice, but for me this one could take the role as a folding knife because it's so light I can always have it with me.
Yeah.
But I can also do the bushcrafting finer tasks finely enough for any situation.
You know what, Maarten? And it's gonna win because this knife, like I said, this rusts very quickly.
And
it's raining today.
So wipe it off before you put it in the sheath.
Okay, nice. And this one is CPM 3V.
Yeah.
I like it.
Again, brothers, I'm gonna put them together.
Yeah.
Because they count as one.
Have you got another category in mind?
I kind of have.
Well then.
So
show me your pick.
This is kind of, I took this one because this could do like, for me, like if I would have to build a shelter or whatever.
This is the Terraria Scrama.
Yeah, this is gonna, for whacking bushes, chopping things. This is kind of a really nice knife.
This too.
That
is
too.
already on table.
Yeah,
but you want as little knives as possible with you. Now you got these. This knife is, or either we take only this one, or we go for the Velknieven A1 and the Monobowie, and I then say the A1 or the Monobowie.
But what is your other category?
It's very important that you stay cooking, man. You gotta be cooking, even though
Morale. All for the morale.
Yeah, and I mean, I love cooking. Yeah. No, wait. What am I saying? I hate cooking. Why? I wanted to say I love my cooking knife. I absolutely despise cooking. It is also laminated.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's also pretty sturdy. It's got the same steel as these two knives. Yeah, as the Valknieven A1 and Modern Bowie. And it's also a cooking knife.
Then my question to you and to the viewers, you can leave it in the comments,
Yeah.
your answer,
Yeah.
is
Oh shit.
if you have to prepare for war, if war breaks out, you know, does it matter if you need a thin knife,
Oh, Mark, this is not. Oh, leave it to the viewers.
if you cut it,
yeah.
if you cut it with one of these, your food, yeah? Or do you gonna take a whole spot by having a kitchen knife if you can only have 5 knives?
This feels like an insult to me, Martin. Because you could also just
I
say
love
to
that
me.
knife. I love that knife.
Yeah, no, ask it to the viewers. Yeah,
This could also be a very nice cooking knife. Look, chop, 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 and then a tree.
I feel disrespected. Yeah, okay, get ready. Yeah, I understand your point. You don't need to ask the viewers anymore. I'm putting it back here. Yeah, it's much better than any cooking knife you possess.
It is.
And
it might be.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
So
now you're disgracing.
It's
now
going.
you're disgracing all the people who gave me a custom cooking knife.
Now then, one last knife I wanna touch upon.
Okay.
Yeah? Look, I was thinking an overall knife, just a knife you always carry on your belt, not
Yeah.
a specific knife, just the one you could take to the battlefield, or take. I don't know. I don't want to say anything about the battlefield because I have no knowledge about that whatsoever. Because then you
Well,
just
that's this one. This is
Okay,
the
okay.
one you're gonna
Okay.
survive with.
overall knife.
Yeah.
When you need to go somewhere. I don't know, just the overall knife, the one knife that can do it all. I got the F1 limited edition.
very
Because
nice
it's got a
knife.
little fighting plane on it.
It is a very
Yeah.
nice knife. But
Oh,
put it on the table.
butts.
Put it on the table.
Man,
Okay.
you got so much butts.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 knives. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we should get
You know-
rid of the Scrama and choose one of these two.
But
Because the bush, I mean, what bushes do you see that you have to chop through here in the Netherlands?
you know, for me, it's like if I need a broomstick, if I need to make. Okay. The Scrama,
Leaves the
the
building.
battlefield.
I know, Martin, that the Valknieven F1 limited edition has nothing to do with this top 5. I know, but I'm just really felt like
For me,
it needed to be here.
I understand your point, but for me, it felt like the knife to always carry
Yeah.
was already this knife. It's just
The,
like
the Bushcraft Ultralight.
yeah, it's just a knife that can be anywhere on you at any time.
Yeah.
And then,
I know, I
look,
understand. Okay, but then I know. Then I know what my what the 5 knives should be. But actually there are 4.
Do we only need 4 knives then?
Wait. Look, I would say the 5 knives. Valknieven Modern Bowie. Multi-tool.
Yeah.
Tier C military. The Bark River Bushcraft Ultralight because it can do everything.
These 4
And
for me are like certain.
And then one knife, doesn't matter what knife it is,
Your treasure knife.
your treasure knife from your collection that you just love. And
yeah,
for that special feeling.
exactly.
But
Maybe
it still can do a lot.
let's do that because I think in a time of a lot of shit happening,
Yeah.
it's good to carry like a good memory of you. A knife that you can also just enjoy doing things with.
Yeah.
And otherwise, if you think you don't need that, then maybe just pick a kitchen knife.
Yeah.
Because it can be convenient.
Are we forgetting something very...
Stanley knife.
Or take with you like a knife that is just extremely good at wood carving. Extremely
Yeah.
good. That will cost as little effort as possible, which can make very nice
Yeah.
carvings if it
Yeah.
needs to.
Or the kitchen knife. Let us know what you would put on that spot 5 because I thought it would be hard to get 5 knives instead of 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
But here we are, first time ever that we are having trouble to find a really good 5th knife.
Do you know why I think that is? It's because we actually don't have any knowledge of this situation.
Yeah.
So we are standing here in front of this camera as students of a situation like this. Please, if you all have experiences, please tell us
Yeah.
what knives should be on this table
I mean, look.
and what segment we are majorly overseeing, because
Maybe people are saying, why aren't you having a dagger on the table? You know, because
maybe we should.
Yeah, I feel like in my I don't have combat experience. In my experience,
no, and I hope
like,
never to have to.
No, but in my experience, having like a dagger is like a very bad situation that you never get into.
Yeah.
And then these knives would also still fulfill that purpose.
The military from TRC, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, please let us know if we're badly overseeing something.
Should we take a folding knife? Should we take a kitchen knife? Should we take a carving knife? Should we take
Guys, people,
Happy New Year.
it was very bad news for us to hear that we had to prepare for a war situation. I do not like that. I do not get hyped because of that news.
Nope.
It is shit news. So please, man, we're brothers, man. Yeah? I mean, life is very fucking hard, man. And we gotta get through this all together. So, you know, support each other, be kind, be harsh, stay hard.
And stay sharp.
Also in the pants, by the way. And yo, man, keep laughing. I mean, life is shit, but life is also very good.
Yeah, and that goes for everybody, no matter which side in the war you are. I mean, as a citizen, it's shit.
Yeah,
as a soldier, it's shit as well.
Man.
Yeah, let's hope that 2025 will be a more peaceful year, I guess.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for watching, and stay with us this year.
Thank you very much, people. Bye.